Exploration Fawcett. Have you ever read this before or listened to the audiobook? It's
Percy Fawcett's
personal diary. Yeah,
okay.
The way he talks about meeting the indigenous people that live deep in the Amazon. You know, it would take him weeks to get to these little villages. And while he was out there, he would see the systematic mathematical structure with which they would set up these giant villages and how they would build these huge, like, thatch wood homes with foundations that are stones. And these people he said that they had like beautiful skin, they spoke elegantly, they sang song. He's like, these people in the Amazon are not primitive savages like my colleagues at the Royal Geographic Society in London believe that they are. These are people, are the descendants of a fallen great civilization.